Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we're going to do a short video just to show you what we hauled from Disneyland. We took a spontaneous trip. You probably saw the last video, and I just wanted to go through some of the things that we got to show you some of the cool stuff. So generally when we go to Disney, it's usually World, and it's tougher to get some of the bigger stuff home. I know you can ship it, but I'm one of those like I want it right now kind of people, so when we drove to Disneyland, it gave us the opportunity to bring some stuff home. So that's all coming up right now. Alright, so here we go. So we're going to start with the small things, and we're going to build up to some really cool stuff. So first things up. So this is just a car decal. Not just a car decal, it's Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. So this one is going to go on my truck, and it's a 2-pack. This one's going to go on Mary's car. These are super cute, came right from the park, and I really like it. So starting out small, but I really like these. We needed new ones. It was time. Coming up next. So this is a new release Mickey and Friends throw. 60 by 72 inches. It is super duper soft. Let's take a look at the pattern of it. Dinner's almost ready. So here it is. Look at this thing! It's so cute! Mickey and all his homies. Alright! That thing is so soft. Disney blankets are amazing. I love them. Super cozy, and I'm a little chilly right now, so I kind of want to put it back on. Alright, next thing we got is, Mary got a really cute sweatshirt. It's a little snug. It's really cute though. We saw a lot of people, there's a blue one like this, and this purple one. It's not really me, but, well, maybe it is, I don't know. No. Alright, next, you know where they have the little art stores where they have someone that's actually there sketching, and you can kind of choose what sketches you want and choose what frames you want and all that kind of stuff. We did a few of those, so we'll start with the first one. Alright, so take a peek. I don't know which way. That's better. So this one is Baby Dumbo. I love these frames. We have a Maleficent in this same frame. They do such a nice job. Love it. I'll try and take a better picture in the photography box and throw that so you can get a better shot of it. Next one coming up. Alright. This is a good one. Steamboat Willie! I love it. I asked her to do the graphs and stuff that they do on the cartoon cells to make it look more like a cell. She did an amazing job with this one. I'll take another picture of it in the photo box and pop that right here so you can take a look at that. This one is my personal favorite. I love it so much. Alright. One more sketch. Alright, so this is the last of the sketches. And I know this one is Mary's favorite. Alright, so I will say I'm not the biggest Pooh fan in the world, but this is amazing. She did such a good job. I love it. I'll do the same thing, throw the better quality picture of it up here for you so you can take a look. These things are so nice. Okay. Alright, so we're done with prints. The next thing... I love this stuff so much. Alright, let's go. This one's super heavy. Let's try. I'm alright. Yeah, I'm fine. Alright. So there's 5 of these guys in here. And we're gonna pop them out of here one at a time. Alright. It's a haunted mansion. So, I'm gonna read this one to you. The twins, Wellington and Forsythia, departed life while in their beds. I'll read in a minute. Departed life while in their beds with identical bumps on identical heads. I can read. I swear I can read. Look at this thing! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna put it on the spinner right there so you can take a look at it. And they're like super heavy. There's 5 of these! Next one. Oh my gosh! It's Birdie. Man, these are really small to read. Avid hunter and expert shot. By the end, that's what he got. Alright, I'll throw another. Boop. Another one. Uncle Jacob. Whoa, I'm gonna need a magnifying glass. You know what? I'm gonna put this one up on the screen right here where you can read it, nice and big. Right, boop. You go ahead and read that. Right. Right. Mm-hmm. See? And then I'll put the big spinner picture up, boop, so you can get a good look at it. Oh my god. I think I'm getting old. I can't see anymore. They are very itty-bitty though. This one is Aunt Florence. Never did a dishonorable deed, yet found face down in canary seed. I love these things. Oh my gosh, look at it. One more. Cousin Maud. Oh boy. Our sleeping beauty who never woke the night her dream went up in smoke. That's not good. But it makes for a good statue. Look at these guys! Whoa. Oh my gosh! How awesome are they? Oh, nothing? No, okay, I'm done. Sweet. Next! This is definitely one of my favorite things. If you don't know by now, I love Haunted Mansion. It's my favorite ride, and it's my favorite stuff just because it's so cool. This is cool. Look at this thing! Oh, it's heavy! Oh, this is amazing! It's a wall hanger. Oh. And it's huge! I have never seen this before, but when I saw it, I knew it was coming on with me. It's bigger than my head. Oh my gosh. So eventually we're going to do a Haunted Mansion bedroom. We're going to do the wallpaper on the headboard wall, the purple wallpaper with the eyes. And this is definitely going in there. Oh my gosh. What do we have next? We have the Jim Shore of Jim Shores. I have another favorite ride. This is one big gym chore, and this is another favorite ride. The detail in this one, it's ridiculous. Let's set this right up here. You guys ready for this? Oh my gosh, so cool. Here we go. Look at this thing. It is... It's got a chain hanging. The dog's got the key. I can hear the guy whistling. This is the most amazing gym chore I have ever seen. Let me put it up on the turntable for you so you can really take a good look at it, but the detail, unbelievable. It's, you look. All right, so we've got one thing left. It's a big box. And this, well, here, you look. Here it is. The box is actually, hang on. Look at this thing! Oh my gosh. I hope you can see it good, because it definitely will not fit in the photography box. But, oh my gosh! And hopefully you can see it. I'm alright. This we fell in love with. As soon as we walked in, we saw it hanging there. And we could not leave without it. So, that's everything that we got from our trip to Disneyland. We're super excited about it. Everything is just... yeah. So, now that we have a little practice under our belt, we have our Tokyo trip coming up, and that's getting very close, like 6 weeks. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it was from in Disneyland. Check that out right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss anything from Tokyo, click this button right here. I hope you're having a great day.